Hi teacher, my name is Diana Clavijo. I will speak of the country of Italy. Italy has numerous islas, two, two of which, two of which are the largest in the Mediterranean Sea, Sicily and Sardinia. Sardinia. Okay, tourist place. The construction of the Colosseum. Okay. The structure was a playground and bloody shows that entertained the public, such as fights between glacier, confrontations between animal and excursion between prisoners. Okay. Typical food of Italy is the lasagna, the pizza, and spaghetti. Okay, and Italy is also the first wheat production in the world, in the country with the largest quantity of cheese in the world. Okay, Italy is a renowned for its art, its culture, and its many monuments, including the Tower of Pisa and the Roman Colosseum, as well as for its gastronomy. Okay, famous Italian dishes are pizza and pasta. Okay, pizza and pasta. It's preaching is the scene, cinema, theater, and literature and music, in particular opera. Okay, teacher Phoenix, thank you.